Alright, that's what it sounds like when you eat a bacon bomb. Alright. There we go. Oh shit. Man. Man, oh man, oh man. That's good. All that's good. I put provolone and mozzarella in it. This time, takes it somewhere else. A good damn place I'm talking about. Smash some garlic, put in it, peppers and onions, mushrooms. Damn it to hell. Yeah, man. Oh. You really shouldn't eat one of these when you're bidding on stuff on eBay. Cause I just lost my damn bib. Dirty bastards. But I got bacon bomb. I don't give a damn. Whole house can fall down. I don't give a damn. I don't want to go 3 hours to pick the damn thing up anyway. Good to that. Crumbles. Got their American. That's what it sounds like. We need a bacon bomb. Good night, boys and girls.